Hi, Connor. Are you waking up Christopher? Are you being sweet?
A phone.
Yeah. Are you going to wake up Christopher? Should we wake him up? He's sound asleep. Looks like he got a little sweaty. Good nap. It's getting late though, so we have to wake him up. Uh-oh. What are you doing? What are you doing with the bucket on your head? What are you doing? You see Connor on the phone. It's not a phone, it's a camera. What are you saying? Oh, he's dizzy now. Good thing he has a helmet on. Whoa! Hi, Christopher.
Hi, Christopher. Hi, Christopher.
Oh, so gentle, Connor. What a sweet boy. Waking up your big brother.
Hi, Tony.
That's nice, Connor. Sweet boys. Okay, Connor, can you look at the camera and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.